What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you best settings for Autosnipe AI. Also, if you guys want to save up on trading fees, you can use my partner link from the description to create a new account and get 10% lifetime trading fee discount. So let's get started. So how do we exactly set the best settings here? So let's first discuss the instant buy option here. So this feature allows you to find tokens that you can purchase instantly or almost instantly. So if it actually speeds up or if speed is important to you, it is actually recommended to turn this on so you can act quickly on new opportunities. So go ahead and turn it on. Next is you want to go and talk about filters here. So next is we have Mint Auth Disable. So this settings blocks tokens where minting authorization is disabled, which helps you avoid tokens that could be manipulated through arbitrary minting. I strongly suggest keeping this on for added security. We also have LP burned filter here, ensures that tokens with a burned liquidity pool are prioritized. So this is crucial because it prevents liquidity from being reclaimed maliciously. Definitely leave this on for maximum protection. And moving on to the top 10 holders filter. So this checks the distribution of tokens among largest holder or the largest holders. So this one is optional and depends on your risk tolerance here. So if you're comfortable with some concentration among major holders here, you can leave this off. Otherwise, feel free to enable it. Next is we have with at least one social filter. So it verifies that tokens have at least one linked social media account. So this ensures authenticity and legitimacy. So it is recommended turning this on. Next is we have the freeze auth disable. So this filters or it actually filters out tokens where freezing functionality can still be authorized. So this helps protect you from tokens that can be maliciously frozen. So keep this on for better security. Now we also have hide rugs here. So this filter is one of the most important. It hides tokens flagged as scams or rug pulls. So make sure that this filter is actually turned on. Now, we also have show only tokens migrated from Pump Fun. So in this case, I recommend you to turn this off. So in this case, this can be left off unless you specifically need tokens from these sources. And also same thing with show only tokens migrated from Moonshot. Now, the show only tokens non-migrated filter out tokens that haven't been migrated. So this is generally optional, so leave this off unless it's something you need. Now, finally, you can adjust and customize parameters like volume, market cap, and buy and sell transactions and liquidity. So this depends on entirely on your trading strategy and what you're targeting. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.